I have to talk about the performance of Jamaica Premier League leaders Cavalier in the CONCACAF Club Championships. The young Cavalier team was outclassed and clobbered 4-0 in the second leg in Cincinnati. Added to the 2-0 defeat they suffered in the first leg at home for a 6-0 aggregate defeat at the hands of an MLS team. It was downright embarrassing for local football. I mean, this was not a La Liga or a Serie A or an EPL team. This is a Major League Soccer team from the USA. And as young as that Cavalier team is, at the moment, the same young Cavalier team is dominating and leading in the Jamaica Premier League. So Cavalier is in good form, arguably close to their best. Yet, they were schooled at home and away by an MLS team. This should be a wake-up call for the management and the clubs in the Jamaica Premier League. There are clear efforts to improve and market the football product, but we also must be realistic. The quality we are seeking is not quite there as yet. So we have a little bit of work to do. Yes, a little bit of work. We have a little bit of work. A little bit.